Hello again, Sharknado Mockers. One of my subscribers asked me to do a quick build tutorial on something, and so I decided to do something that was really easy. As you can see, my little army out here. So, ghost traps. So everybody's a big Ghostbuster fan, and I know some people can't afford the Ghostbusters and the Ectos and all that stuff, but I came across a YouTube channel a long time ago, can't remember which one, and some people have built the ghost traps really easily. So I decided I'll make a quick ghost trap and show you what it looks like. So here's one of the finished ones I built. Getting a little focus here. So you can see it's actually a simple 1x3 plate, 1x2 tile, and then a mini clip. And then you have the candle holder, which is basically a 1x1 stud, and with a candle holder placement piece here. So that's what it looks like, the finished product. So this is what it actually looks like as it starts out as. So you can use whatever color you want, but I'm just using the traditional colors of 1x1, the black. And then you basically take the candle holder piece here, you stick it on the end, like so. And I'll rotate it back so you can actually see. So you can either use a tile piece, or I like using a grill piece too, so it just shows a little differential. So you can either use a tile or a grill. I use a grill if I don't have a hazard striping on it, so that way it looks a little different. And then you basically just take the clip, you just clip it on the end, and there you go. You have the little ghost trap. And then you take one of my characters here, my minifigs, you put it right in his hand, and see, there you go. You have it look like he's holding a ghost trap. Now, since you have a ghost trap, you need to have, oh, he doesn't stand very well. Oh, hold on, let me position a little bit so he stands up a little better. So now you have a ghost trap. You have two ghost traps. So what do you do when you have ghost traps? You need a ghost trap. You need the grid protection system. So I built this on a whim. I know it's a little bit longer. I can't actually take time to, I should have done this on video too, but I wanted to do a simple build versus a long-term build. This one took about 20 to 30 minutes, and I haven't really got to the point of how to do a speed build yet. So this one, I basically just took the idea of what I thought the ghost containment unit looks like inside the movie. And so basically, here's the flap that goes down. You basically put it like this. You take the ghost trap and you slide it in, you flip it up, goes inside like so, and you flip the switch here, and it goes from red to green. And when the light is green, the trap is clean. You know, the old saying. But then you can just put this inside your house, your firehouse or whatever, or if you want to just do a residential Ghostbuster, you can do it that way, and it looks pretty cool. It has the red light green, and then it has little warning red lights on the side and everything. It has traditional yellows and such like that. But then it just goes back out and flips out like so. Like so. Oh, to eat her a little bit. Let's go and hold it at an angle. But there you go. And then you have a little way of disposing your ghost traps instead of just having to walk around like that. But I hope that helps a little bit more on how to do a quick build. So basically the thing is just, if you see something inspires you, conceptualize what it looks like, how it would look like in Lego, and just go from there. It could be anything. Like I said, a simple ghost trap. You can either sketch it out beforehand and try to determine what the pieces would look like. And if you can't figure out what the pieces are, then you can just look at tutorials and see how people have done it their way, and then just look at your inventory and just go from there. And that's the one thing I learned a lot, is actually build up an inventory. I actually go to my local shop, the Dayton Brick Shop, and they have what they call Pick-a-Brick section, which they have prices on how you can just go through their inventory of used parts and just build it up that way. Just grab whatever you want and just put in the Ziploc bags and weigh it out and buy pieces that way, and you just start building inventory. And trust me, I built a big inventory, and that's how I can just sit here and just calculate and pull things together. That's how I was able to build modify the police car here from the original design, and add my own pieces to make it look better, and just go from there. So I hope this tutorial was very helpful, and I hope you subscribe, like, and comment, and just keep doing more, and mock modders forever.